Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today we're sharing our top prep tips and tricks for a long-lasting gel manicure. Our first tip is to push back your cuticles. If gel polish sits on skin or dead tissue, it will start lifting within days. Apply cuticle remover, let it soften your cuticles, then gently push them back with your preferred tool. Be thorough but gentle, making sure to remove the thin film of dead skin stuck to the nail plate. This helps create a clean, smooth surface for your gel polish to bond to. Our second tip is to buff the nail surface to create texture for your gel nail polish to adhere to. Using the fine side of your nail file or your 240 grit sanding band, gently buff the nail surface. The goal isn't to file down your nail, but to create a light texture and slight grit that helps your gel polish adhere better. Our third tip is to remove dust and oils. Prep leaves behind dust and the nail plate naturally produces oils. Both hinder adhesion and can cause lifting. Thoroughly clean your nails, including around your cuticles and under your nail tips. Next, apply a thin layer of pH bond and leave to air dry. This removes any remaining oils and balances your nail's pH. Our final tip is to apply nail primer. It creates a sticky base to help your gel bond securely. Apply a thin layer and air dry. Thanks for watching! For more nail care advice, check out our other Gelous tutorials.